Welcome CMCSS family, Millard House here. As you all know, it's that time of year for us to really start looking at our strategic work. We've had the opportunity to hear from several stakeholders like our classified staff, our certified staff, members of our community, as well as students. And what we'd like to do is give you a more detailed look of exactly what the strategic work will look like and how we'll execute it over the course of time.
Social and emotional learning, or SEL, is how children and adults acquire and effectively apply the knowledge, attitudes, and skills they need to understand and manage emotions, set and achieve positive goals, feel and show empathy for others, establish and maintain positive relationships, and make responsible decisions. Participants in the district stakeholder feedback groups expressed a need for more social and emotional support for our students. Supporting our students in this way will help them be more successful in school and in life by increasing their ability to appropriately manage their emotions and interact with peers and adults. This will have a positive impact with more time and focus on learning. More importantly, SEL contributes to a safe and mutually respectful community. After graduating from CMCSS, students must be able to proficiently navigate and use technology in order to learn, live, and thrive in academic, work, and personal environments. Preparing our students to be college and career ready means providing opportunities for students to learn, create, and communicate using the tools and methods they will encounter in future environments. Blended learning engages students in carefully constructed lessons aligned to standards where technology is intentionally and thoughtfully included at appropriate times to enhance or transform a lesson in order to meet individual needs, personalize student learning, and ensure standards mastery. We will create and implement curriculum resources to support early learning literacy initiatives, as well as continue professional learning opportunities for teachers and leaders to support the implementation of research-based literacy practices. We also will host opportunities for families and preschool-age children to engage in learning and discovery. In addition to the current academic offerings such as college and career academies, JROTC classes, dual enrollment in AP courses, and CTE industry certifications, CMCSS will offer multiple new and innovative learning pathways for students during the 2018-19 school year. These include the first class of full Spanish immersion kindergartners at Barksdale Elementary, the addition of Asian language courses, Korean and Japanese at 2 high schools, and expanded collaborations with the Tennessee College of Applied Technology, Nashville State Community College, and APSU. Ready graduates are students who exit our schools possessing the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in workplace settings or further academic endeavors. In 2018-19, CMCSS will continue to partner with community members and industry leaders to further align our classroom instruction to meet workforce needs. Benchmark indicators will be created to showcase student progress toward what is expected of a ready graduate. Alignment of ACT standards within elementary, middle, and high school curriculum guides will help to foster student readiness for standardized measures. The Human Resources team will be using a multifaceted approach to expand recruitment efforts. Through these efforts, a focus will continue to be on increasing diversity in our certified applicant pool, as well as emphasizing partnerships with top quality educator preparation providers. This is the inaugural year for the implementation of the Clarksville-Montgomery County Teaching Fellows Partnership with Nashville Teacher Residency. Candidates will serve as educational assistants in middle and high schools while partnering with a mentor mathematics or English teacher. They also will complete required coursework and assessments. The residency will last 1 year, and upon successful completion, the candidate will be eligible for employment as an English or mathematics teacher. Attendance at university-sponsored recruitment events are strategically planned based upon a variety of factors, including hiring supervisors' feedback, national best practices, diversity needs, and an analysis of historical results of recruitment efforts. CMCSS will increase its social media presence and communication of employment opportunities and events. This will provide recruitment efforts to target and engage potential candidates through relevant posts and communication via Twitter, Facebook, etc. Ultimately, the Human Resources Department's mission is to recruit, select, develop, and retain high-quality employees committed to supporting student achievement. Building on the success of the Engage Conference, CMCSS will continue to explore ways to individualize professional learning opportunities through a new Teacher Leader Academy, expanded online learning, micro-credentialing, and a video coaching pilot for new teachers. Additionally, CMCSS will study ways to better support classified staff through induction and training opportunities. The goal is to create a more robust offering of curriculum resources by enhancing current scope and sequence documents to include a balance of traditional and blended learning resources. The Human Resources Department is making every effort to become paperless. Active employee files have been scanned into an electronic format. These electronic employee files are proving to be quicker to retrieve and provide an effective option for future space limitations. New employees will experience an automated onboarding process. Forms will be completed using a computer or smartphone, providing convenience to employees and automated workflow for the HR staff. The goal is for CMCSS to have 0 preventable accidents with all buses running on time. The creation of a program consisting of formal training on acquiring a CDL learning permit, a driver ride-along program, and a check ride program will be developed and implemented. Drivers will conduct student passenger safety training. The driver programs manager will focus on recruiting and retaining commercial drivers, as well as developing programs that will recognize and emphasize prestige and pride in the profession. It is the goal that every CMCSS student is educated in a permanent classroom. Currently, the district uses portable classrooms rather than rezoned families. Current capacity issues are being addressed with classroom additions to Barker's Mill Elementary, Minglewood Elementary, Northeast Middle School, and Northeast High School. Design and construction of a new middle school is scheduled to begin January 2019 and to be completed in August 2021, which will coincide with a major rezoning in all schools. The 8th CMCSS High School is scheduled to begin in July 2020 and be completed in August 2023. Additions to West Creek Elementary and Rossview Elementary schools are tentatively scheduled for completion by January 2021. Pisgah Elementary and Oakland Elementary additions are scheduled to open in August 2022. The implementation of an electronic medical record for school nurses will provide safer and more efficient care for students. It will eliminate duplicate charting and ensure that student health records are kept securely. The expansion of on-site medical electronic records will provide opportunities for stronger patient-centered communication. This impacts employees and their insured dependents by allowing for opportunities to make online appointment scheduling requests, use electronic intake forms, and give patients the opportunity to view and print their lab work. Using these tools will reduce paper usage and improve communication between patients and their providers. The mission of the CMCSS Technology Department is to provide district-wide comprehensive and secure information systems, timely support, and relevant training to promote student achievement. To meet this goal, the Technology Department's main focus is to identify areas where a technology solution could improve organizational efficiency for all departments across the district. On a daily basis, the Technology Department works side by side with schools, staff, administrators, directors, students, and parents. The Technology Department is directly involved in operations that affect the district at every level, whether by providing advanced technology for students and staff, troubleshooting and repairing hardware and software, or configuring and customizing programs and websites for departments and schools. With the implementation of one-to-one laptops in 2017-18, a technology protection plan was offered to high school students. Beginning 2018-19, parents will be directed to an online website where they can electronically sign the student laptop handbook contract and the technology protection plan form. After completing this process, if they have chosen to purchase the technology protection plan, they will immediately be taken to a checkout webpage where they will be able to pay for the plan. In addition, debit and credit card payments will be accepted in the district accounting office. As the number of businesses, industries, and organizations continues to grow in Clarksville and Montgomery County, the opportunities to form connections and meaningful collaborations with CMCSS broadens. The CMC Education Foundation will serve as the pipeline for developing and fostering relationships between the public schools and community partners. The data shows that parents, students, and school employees have embraced and most times prefer going online to access the information they need. With that in mind, a newly designed CMCSS.net webpage is being launched, giving users a better experience both visually and functionally. Webpage users will be able to link directly to social media platforms, providing a seamless and interactive experience. Digital technology is being developed more quickly than can be imagined. CMCSS will work toward giving stakeholders what they want and need in online resources.